using tables, solve the equation. Okay, so this equation involving indices. Here we have 8x power minus 2, 8x power minus 2 equals 2 over 5. So how do we go about this? Solution. So here I have 8 power x minus 2 equals 2 over 25. Okay, so what I do? The first step, I divide both sides by 8 because I want to isolate this. So I have divided by 8 over 1. So this one is out. So here I have x power minus 2 equals 2 over 25 times, because of this division, 1 over 8. Okay, so here I have x power minus 2 equals, so the common factor I have here is 2. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 4. So I have here 1 times 1 as the numerator. Here I have here 25 times 4. So from here I have x power minus 2 equals 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, 25 times 4 is 100. Sorry. So here I can write this as 1 over 10 raised to power 2. Okay, 10 raised to power 2 is 100. So here I have x minus 2 equals, I can write this as 10 raised to power minus 2. Okay, so when you look at the left hand side of the equation, I have the power of x to the minus 2. The right hand side of the equation, I have the power of 10 to the minus 2, so I can eliminate it. So I have x equals 10. So to check this, okay, from here you have 8x raised to power minus 2 equals, so here you have 8 times the value of x is 10, as 10 raised to power minus 2. Okay, this is as saying 8 times 1 over 10 raised to power 2. Okay, so that gives us 8 times 1 is 8, 10 raised to power 2 is 10 times 10, so that is 8 over 100. So we can reduce this with 4. 4 units is 2. 4 in 100 is 25, which is this. So the value of x is 10. Thank you very much. If 8 raised to power 2x equals 64 times 4 raised to power 3y, express x in terms of y. The solution. So this equation involving indices, okay, it's the equal sign. So we have here 8 raised to power 2x equals 64 times 4 raised to power 3y. Okay, I can put 8 in index form. So 8 is stated as saying 2 raised to power 3, which is 8. So I can say 2 raised to power 3 into 2x equals, for 64, I can write this as 2 raised to power 4, 2 times 2, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32, 8 times 2 is 64, so I have 2 raised to power 6, sorry, 2 raised to power 6, so I have this to be 2 raised to power 6 times 4, for 4, I can put this one in this form of 2 raised to power 2, okay, so here I have 2 raised to power 2, which is as 4, times 3y, okay, so here I can open up exponent's law. So when I have a raised to power n into m, so I say a raised to power n. So when you apply this to this, you have 2 raised to power 3 times 2x is 6x equals, I have the same base. So when you have the same base, okay, so you have a raised to power n times a raised to power n. Since the base is equal, so you pick out 1, you add the index, the power, okay, so when you apply this to this, I have 2 raised to power 6 plus, so for here I have this to be 6y, okay, so when you say 2 times 3y is 6y, when you apply this to this, you have this, so here I have equal this, so I can take it out, so here I have 6x at this side equals 6 plus 6y. Okay, I want to express x in terms of y. So to make x the subject of the formula, so I divide both sides by 6. So here 6 cancels 6. So here I have 6 and 6 is 1 plus 6 and 6y I have to be y. So that means my x equals 1 plus y. To evaluate 2 raised to power 0 plus 4 raised to power minus half, okay, everything squared. So what do we do? Solution, okay, so for 2 raised to power 0, plus 4 raised to power minus half, okay, everything squared. Do not forget anything is power 0, okay, so we have a raised to power 0 to the 1, okay, law of indices, so anything is power 0 is 1, so for 2 raised to power 0 we have this to be 1, okay, and for this we have 4 raised to power minus half, okay, so one of the law of indices, when you have a rational exponent, a negative rational exponent, okay, as you have a raised to power 1 over n, okay, to remove this we introduce 1, okay, so here we have n roots of this. So when we apply this to resolve this, we have here 4 raised to power half, okay, so to remove this we introduce 1, okay, over 4, which is this, so that means 1 over the roots of 4, okay, and for this we have this to be 1 over 2, okay, for this. So coming back here, for 2 raised to power 0 we have it to be 1, that is 1 plus, so for this we have it to be 1 over 2, okay, so everything squared. So from here 1 plus half, so that's saying 1 and a half, okay, squared, equals, for 1 and a half, that is 3 over 2, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1, I have to be 3 over 2 squared, okay, which is I'm saying 3 times 3 over 2 times 2, so for 3 times 3 is 9, for 2 times 2 is 4.